Hello everyone. Today it's so cold and very windy and cloudy. It's so good for me. And then you can see one project that I set up already with my team, with my family. So this project we call gravity pump or free energy water pump, right? Free energy water pump. So free energy water pump is different from the siphon system. Siphon just take the water from the high place to the low place. But for this project, we call gravity pump or free energy water pump. Just take the water from the low place or deep place to the high place, right? It's a lot of people they confused about this, but I want to make you clear, make you sure, don't be confused more. So right now you can see here that we call here is called valve check, right? Valve check. While check, we just filling water to this main drum. Before we process our project, we have to fill water to this main drum until it's full or 90%, right? And then you can see one pipe here. This we call input pipe. Here I use a small one with a 34 millimeter, just same size the out of the end of the output pipe, right? With a 34 millimeter, right? And through by this input pipe, the water will take to this drum. But don't forget, when you connect between pipe to pipe like this, you have to use the glue, make sure no leaking, right? Okay. Another way, you can see the metal drum here. Yes, I use, but you don't use the plastic drum because it's not easy to deform. But this kind of metal drum is very solid. It's not easy to deform, right? Deform. And you can make a strong pressure to suck the water from this river here. So now you can okay. And the first step here. The first step you can see here. And you can see here, okay. And valve. Okay, next step. Before I go to show you the end of the output pipe, I have to close this valve check properly. Right, valve check properly, like this. Valve check, yeah, you have to close it properly. And then, next step, when you fill water, you have to open the sea. But when we open the end of the pipe, process our project, we have to close properly, no linking. Okay, right now, like this. Okay, you can see here, you can over there, like this. So, okay, and next step you can see here, we call air pressure to stop or to stop the air when it come back from the end of the pipe. Make sure it cannot go to the main drum, because have any air on this thing will reverse air go back to the main drum. Our project cannot successfully be planned. But don't forget, right? You have to use this kind of air pressure during you set up or install this kind of project, right? Okay. Right now, let's go to see me. Okay, another way, guys, I want to tell you again, before you, when you set up it, you don't forget, right? Again and again, use the glue connecting between pipe to pipe, no linking, right? Like this. Okay, right now, let's go to see. Okay, right now I start to open it for you to see. Oh, you can hear the sound like this, right? Right? The water sound. The first time is strong like this, but you just leave it around 1 hour or 30 or half of hour. If the water will reclaim water, because the first time is strong like this, same to anything machine. But the next time maybe our 20 or 30 millimeter, it will reclaim water. Because if no use electricity, just use the pressure to suck the water from the river to flow here. But my rice field is so big, right? It's with much water to fill. So I will do it, and next week I will come to recheck it, because we don't need the electricity, we don't need the gasoline to support for taking water from the river, right? Okay, and I hope you understand what I review, what I tell about this. If you have anything, you can ask me below this video by comment section. Thank you so much. See you next video.